Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on on Bitcoin. Your daily update. We'll do a full update. We'll talk about the technicals. We'll talk about a few fundamentals. Even though, there are some fundamentals we can talk about. In general, we've been very bullish since yesterday. All right, we already made a quick video on that yesterday after we got some news. If you don't know what we got, and this is part of the reason why we were bullish. I don't think it's the full reason, but still, there's always a lot of factors playing into the price of Bitcoin, all influencing the price, right? So you can never really say this or that caused a move, or at least usually you can. Sometimes you can. But we got some decent unemployment numbers from the US. Basically, they're lower than expected, which is good. But then it's also not. It's higher than expected, which is good, but it's also not that much higher that it is instilling recession fears again. All right, which was one of the fears we had last week, Friday, for example. Caused quite a lot of bullish momentum. Was also expected. I mean, if you watch my video, I told you that I had a feeling that we would go up, which has been correct. I mean, the thing is that Bitcoin, like especially after this move right here, like we were quite bearish, or at least we had some sort of a bearish breakout here. But then the recovery we had on Thursday night was so strong, and then we hit that major resistance level at 57,700 again. So once we were there, I shifted a little bit more bullish. And what you can see right now, to get into the technicals, is something very bullish. All right, because the thing is if we zoom out to the 12-hour time frame, or to the daily time frame even, like one of the most important level I would say that we wanted to break back above was this entire key level between 58,000 and 60,500. And on the daily time frame, on the 12-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, we all closed above that level. All right, which I mean, that's a significant bullish breakout. This basically means that we are back in this area between 58,000 and 70,000, which is the best range to be in, right? Because then that means that, all right, well, we successfully got back into that range, and now we are at the bottom of the range, so we can expect more bullish momentum. So purely technically, especially with this daily close, we have to be bullish. But then I will tell you that I think it's a little bit, at least in my expectations of the market this year, I think it's a little bit early to be this bullish, all right? Now, I could be wrong, of course, but I do think that I need a little bit more confirmation here that we can actually hold this support level before I will really tell you that I also think it's most likely that we have actually gotten back into the range, and that therefore it's most likely we're going back up to 68 and 70,000. Because technically that's most likely, right? Because we've broken back into the range right here. We've broken back into it, so now we'll do a retest and head back up to the top. Technically, that's most likely. However, we are at a very strong resistance level right here at 62,000, where we have a strong resistance level in general. We have strong EMAs and the 0.618 fib. And I'll be honest with you, I, together with everybody in the signal group, where I also sent this trade signal, we shorted. All right, I shorted right here. From this 0.618 fib. So it's in profit right now, and that also means that I do think we will drop down from this level. It's such a technically strong resistance level that I do expect some resistance from here. But then the key is, and I will keep you updated on this, the key is, all right, well, when we retest the level we broke above at 60, 59, 58,000, can we actually gain momentum from there? If the answer is yes, then we're bullish, all right? Then we're back into the range, and we'll get back up, or at least we'll try to get back up to the range highs, which is the ideal scenario, and technically this is most likely. And therefore, I will also tell you that I think it's most likely as well. Now, the problem I kind of have with that, apart from my feelings about the market, is that these moves are not combined with a lot of momentum, all right? If we really zoom out and you look back at the time, like the 25th of July, you can see we had a ton of momentum. That's not the case right here. Right, so even though I think this is technically most likely, I need to see some sort of a strong confirmation before I will really turn bullish. And for now, short term, I'm actually a little bit more bearish on the markets, at least into that 60, 58,000 level. But I'll keep you updated on this. We'll probably get quite a lot of volatility over the course of today. So in my middle of the day market update, I will give you an update as the title may suggest. But for now, that's what you need to know. Those are my thoughts. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.